you're not really honing in on what your skills are. You have no vision on how to create something that's going to generate revenue.
Welcome to Unstoppable Podcast with Harry Sardinas, inspiring conversations with influential millionaires, investors, thought leaders, entrepreneurs who are making a massive difference with their innovative products and services, and sharing the challenges and the wisdom of how they sold their first million.
How would you like to make your first million? And today we have Steven with us, which is the only, and listen carefully, the original TheSalonGuy. So tell us, Steven, what are the 5 steps that you recommend entrepreneurs in order to achieve first million?
Hello, thank you so much for having me. I'm excited
Pleasure.
to talk with you. It's really interesting. 3 of them right off the bat are my new book, Why, What, How. If you can answer those 3 questions, why do you want to do what you want to do? Most people can't really go into it that deeply. What are you going to actually do? And then how are you going to do it? Those first 3 things are essential because the why is your foundation. It's your fuel. It's your source of what inspires you every day. A lot of people don't understand what they're actually going to do because they think, oh, I'm going to try this, I'm going to try that. They're very lost. You need to focus on, and then the third one is, how are you going to do it? So, all right, so you understand what your driving fuel is, your driving motivating source. And then what are you going to do? Okay, you're going to make videos about this. You're going to be whatever it is you're going to do. And then how are you going to actually do it? A lot of people overlook the technicality of how they're going to do it. How are they going to film it? How are they going to edit it? How are they going to, build it? Like, how are they going to do it? And then the next part of it, it's really about understanding what can you do to make money? What is your true actual skill set that is going to bring you revenue? Because a lot of people want to start something and they don't realize, well, 1, that's not really my specialty. I'm not an expert in that. And 2, they just think they're going to get a lot of views, build something big on social media without really understanding that, there's no money in what you're doing and the way you're building it. And then lastly, the 5th thing is you need to have a clear vision, right? Everybody always says, be passionate. You've heard that a million times, be passionate. But do you realize you could be passionate and be broke? You can be very, very passionate about something, but there's a difference between being passionate and being an entrepreneur with understanding what you can do to make money, right? I see so many people coming up with content ideas and trying new things and trying this and trying that. And, I want to be a media personality. I want to be an influencer. And they go and they create something just out of their own ego. Meanwhile, they're not getting any views. They're not getting any traction. Nothing's growing. They're not making money. And I'm like, well, that's because you're not really honing in on what your skills are. You have no vision on how to create something that's going to generate revenue.
Follow us for more interviews with world's most influential, audacious entrepreneurs that overcame challenges and adversity, providing you with the blueprint of how they sold their first million so you can grow your business exponentially.